Hello, yeah, I'm Aart Willem from TNO, from the AMable consortium. Antonio, yeah, would you introduce yourself and what your company is busy with?
Okay, thank you very much, Art. My name is Antonio Pepe, and I am the responsible of research and development activities of PharmaLabor. PharmaLabor is a medium-sized company located in the southern part of Italy that operates in the business of providing raw materials to galenic, cosmetic, as well as food markets.
And yeah, you had a product ID that you want to produce with additive manufacturing. Can you elaborate a bit on that product?
Yeah, PharmaLabor aimed at developing an innovative platform for the production of 3D printed formulation as personalized medicines. The name of the project was FORME, considering the specific requirements of each patient. In fact, the individual variability is an increasing global problem when treating different patients with different backgrounds like age, weight, comorbidities. 3D printed drugs could be an ideal solution for these needs because they can be printed everywhere and they could allow the exact positioning of active pharmaceutical ingredient, the precise dosage of the drug, and the suitable shape of it.
Okay, you can make the dose exactly how the patient needs it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So, hello everyone. My name is Nunzio Denora, and I am leading the PharmTech Lab unit of pharmaceutical technology at the Department of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences of the University of Bari, Aldo Moro. Our unit is specialized in the development of personalized formulation by using innovative technologies such as 3D printing.
Okay. And can you tell me something about the challenges that you expected in the project and what you really came through in the project?
Sure. The main challenge I was expecting in the beginning of the project was related to the ability of the team to develop a 3D direct power extruder, which was able to produce tablets starting from pharmaceutical powders. However, the main challenge I actually have concerned the regulatory perspective of such pharmaceutical products.
Okay. Yeah. So Antonio, yeah, can you tell something about also the interaction with AMable and how did you cope with the challenges you had in the project?
Yeah, we selected the service ID 312 industrialization of additive manufacturing because what we need was to have reliable data about optimal production speed and quality of the printed drugs. And PharmaLabor interacted with AMable Consortium and with service provider in sharing technical guidelines in order to define fully approved processes and products and to operate according to industrial standards.
Okay. How did AMable help you?
Both the service implementation and the execution time were very helpful for PharmaLabor because we defined correctly and we achieved project goals and expectations. TNO in particular suggested us to set up an adequate design of experiment plan in order to define properly parameters and key performance indicators. And it was very proactive in providing us with templates for reporting activities and in checking new opportunities to exploit project potential.
Okay, thank you. How far are you now off from introducing your product in the market?
We plan in June 2021 to provide the market with position statements and key messages about 3D printing of drugs. And finally, in early 2022, a prospect sales team will be educated to meet with a prospective business or consultants to discuss their specific needs.
Okay, that sounds great. Yeah, so Nunzio, do you have other plans in introducing additive manufacturing in your company?
Our plans concern the application of such innovative technology to the production also of food supplements and medical devices as well.
Okay, well, that sounds good. If you wrap it up, how was your experience with the AMable project?
Sincerely, our experience was very exciting because we had the chance to share our findings and data with a network of trained and skilled partners. We received feedbacks and suggestions, and we also had the opportunity to compare our capabilities with other top organizations in this field. So we are very happy to be involved in this project.
Okay, well, thank you, Antonio. It was also a pleasure from my side to work with you and with Nuncio, and I hope to see you in the future. And thank
I
you
hope
for
so.
the interview. Thank you.
Thank you.